Hello folks, how you doing? In this video I just want to show you a couple of little projects I've been playing around with. Nothing special, just something to sort of little sort of money saving ideas, I suppose. Right, so the first one, what I've done is I've basically made something associated with fire. And basically what I tried to do is everything that was in my shed, all my rubbish and clutter and everything else, I tried to make myself up some bits and pieces that obviously weren't going to cost me anything as such. It was just by stuff that I already had knocking around in the shed. So the first thing I did was I collected, this is an old air pellet tin, it had pellets in it. Okay, and in here what I made was I basically got some cotton pads off the wife. She gave me some old cotton pads for her, you know, for obviously taking her makeup off and all the rest of it. And then what I've done was I actually used my little transient burner, methylated spirits, and then as you can see there's the last of the residue of the wax that's inside that tin, and I basically heated it up on a bit of meths, and then I basically soaked these pads in wax. Okay, I actually made 6 of them. This particular tin only fitted 3 in there. So what I've done now, I've got the lid on now, and it's a nice little fire lighter, nice little emergency fire lighter kit to go inside my tinderbox or inside a pocket or something like that. Alright, so that's the first one. And the second one I made was basically, I got this idea from kind of like one of the X-Attack spool that they do, and this is basically just an old plastic tube. And what I've done was I got some Gorilla Tape, and what I've done was I wrapped several meters of Gorilla Tape around one end of the tube, another length down the other end of the tube. And then what I've done in the middle here is if you look up closely, I've actually wrapped some, this is number 18 bank line. And then what I've done is I took an old sort of nitrile glove, one of these, and as you can see there I've cut the thumb out of it, and then I've basically just put the nitrile glove over there just to sort of keep the bank line tidy and together. And then finally what I've got in here is when you actually take off the lid, I've actually got a sail needle in there. So I've literally pushed the sail needle into the little cap that's inside there like so. I've even got some space to put some other stuff inside that tube if I want to. And there it is. Hasn't sort of cost me anything. It was just stuff that I already had knocking around in my shed, as it were. Okay, so there's another couple of projects for you to be getting on with if you wish. So that's the wax pads. Okay, as I say, in an air pellet tin. And then finally my little sort of tidy, if you like. Now, good thing about that number 18 bank line as well, because it's that much thinner, obviously I can unravel that, take the kern out of it, and then actually, you know, thread my needle and then actually use it to make repairs to my clothing and such like. All right, so there you go folks, couple of little projects there for you to getting on with. All right, so thanks for watching. Let us know leave us your comments and all the rest of it. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, then please do so. Hit that like button and don't forget to hit that bell button as well, so you'll obviously get first to know when all my new videos come out. All right, so Descattys signing out, and I'll see you on the flip side.